Number 4. No sooner had Andrea del Sarto traveled to France to work for the French king, but his wife persuaded him to return to Italy. Well, I sort of understand the meaning of the question. No sooner had this first part happened, he traveled to France, but then his wife persuaded him to return. But this is an idiom of parallel construction, so this is an idiom. Usually I don't teach idioms to remember because there's thousands of them, but in these idioms of parallel construction, it's good to remember. No sooner X than Y. No sooner had I decided to start writing a play than I got a call about a movie I should write. Would be a use of that idiom. So we can, rare case here, cut all these ones with but. We don't say no sooner had something but something else had happened. We say no sooner had something happen than something happened. So let's look at C and E. Let's plug C in. No sooner had Andrea del Sarto traveled to France to work for the French king than he was persuaded by his wife that he will return. Well, this is fine. He was persuaded is in the past as traveled is in the past. But traveled is followed by an infinitive, right? Traveled to France to do something. Not traveled, get rid of that. Not traveled in France and he will return. This happened a long time ago, I'm assuming, so why we're switching to the future tense, I have no idea. Let's hope E is right. No sooner had Andrea del Sarto traveled to France to work for the French king than his wife persuaded him to return. Okay, the answer is E. Look how the idiom is done correctly. No sooner had this happened than that happened, and the parallelism has happened, which is Andrea del Sarto traveled, past tense, to France to work, infinitive. His wife persuaded, past tense, to return, infinitive. The answer is